Hello! To provide context for this video, let's delve into the use case we're addressing. We've chosen an application based on a three-component architecture: a backend, which is a native IBM I application, a frontend, developed using React and served by a Tomcat server, and finally, a middleware acting as an AWS web server, making the connection between the backend and frontend. In this scenario, we'll explore the synchronization of deployment and rollback for adding a new service program in the backend, exposing the corresponding web service in the middleware, and the associated changes in the frontend. Let's now move on to the demo of our use case. On the screen, you see the React interface of the Heroku application, with various menus such as orders, customers, providers, and countries. However, in the first version, the articles menu is missing. This absence is also reflected in the AWS server and the object library on IBM I, where the article is absent. To evolve, the development teams worked on improvements, including articles. Each team deposited artifacts in separate repositories. These artifacts are then imported from these repositories and concatenated into a Drops release. Currently, I'm on the Drops web console, where I'm creating a new release. And selecting the import filters from my components. The Drops release is ready, and I can check its content. I now initiate the deployment of the release on my production environment from my interactive deployment board. Deployment is complete. Checking the objects in my object library, I observe that a new article object has been added. At the AWS server level, a new web service articles is exposed. Refreshing my React interface, I notice the appearance of the new articles menu. Thus, deployment occurred synchronously, and all three components have been deployed. Detailed deployment logs can be viewed via the web console. In case of functional issues, a synchronized rollback can be performed with Drops. This can be triggered automatically in case of an error. Here, I initiate the rollback by clicking on the corresponding option, reverting to the previous stable state. Rollback is complete. Refreshing my React interface, I notice the disappearance of the articles menu. Similarly, the articles web service is no longer visible. And it has also been removed from the object library on IBM I. Thank you, and feel free to request your demo via the link below the video.